Dialogue. Talking about an accident. Vocabulary. Took a tumble. Fell off something.
Got rushed. Taken somewhere quickly.
Serious damage. Something bad happened to a person, building, etc.
Scrapes. Small cuts.
9 lives. A reference to the idiom, cats have 9 lives, which means that it's impossible to hurt or kill.
Miracle. Something good that happens, but with no reasonable explanation.
In no time at all. Soon or quickly. Sam and Kerry are talking about an accident. Oh, Kerry, what happened?
I hit a rock while riding my bike and took a tumble over the handlebars.
Oh no, it looks bad.
I got rushed to the ER. I hit my head pretty hard, but no serious damage because I was wearing a helmet. Just a cut on my leg and some scrapes on my hands.
Thank God for that. How did you not break any bones? You must have 9 lives.
I'm not sure. It's a small miracle. They did an x-ray of my entire body to check, and I also got a CAT scan of my head, which was interesting. They were worried about bleeding in my brain.
I'm happy to hear that you're okay. You'll be back to your adventures in no time at all.